morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about phase rule in physical chemistry. In phase rule, what is phase rule? What are the uses of phase rule? That it deals with the properties of behavior of heterogeneous system. Behavior of heterogeneous system. Behavior means their properties. Their properties. The heterogeneous system. What is heterogeneous system? Heterogeneous system that contains more than two phases. Homogeneous system that consists of only one phase, that is homogeneous system. Then in phase rule we have to learn some terms, some important terms. What are the terms involved in phase rule? Phase, component, degrees of freedom, and then system. System means that is heterogeneous or homogeneous. Phase means the phase. Phase means either it is a solid or liquid or gaseous phase. Generally, materials are consist of exist commonly exist in three phases, that is solid, liquid and gaseous state. For example, we have take water. Water is in ice form. Water is in liquid form. Water is in gaseous form. Water is in ice form, that is ice. Water is in liquid form, that is normal water. Water in vapor form, that is vapor of water. Both are at the equilibrium state. Both are at exist in equilibrium state in every time. The phase means that is a materials or exist in three phases. Phase means gaseous state இருக்கலாம், liquid state இருக்கலாம், அல்லது solid state இருக்கலாம். அதுக்கு பேரு phase. The homogeneous system na அதில் ஒரே ஒரு phase தான் exist ஆகும். Phase means either liquid இருக்கலாம், either solid இருக்கலாம், either gaseous state இருக்கலாம். Heterogeneous system na என்ன? Gas solid exist ஆகலாம், liquid gas exist ஆகலாம். அந்த மாதிரி any two phase exist ஆச்சுன்னா that is a heterogeneous system. இப்போ that phase rule என்ன டீல் பண்ணுதுன்னா that deals with the behavior of heterogeneous system. அப்போ என்ன, system should be heterogeneous இருக்கணும். System should be heterogeneous இருக்கணும். Then we are going to know about phase rule. What is phase rule? Definition of phase rule. What is phase rule? That is a definition. It is possible to predict qualitatively by means of a diagram. Possible to predict qualitatively. Qualitatively means that is different from quantitative. Quantitative means that is the amount. Qualitative means identification of the elements. நம்ம second year inorganic qualitative analysis. Qualitative na what are the ions present in the system, that is a qualitative. Quantitative means volumetric analysis. Volumetric la enna பண்ணுவோம், we have to identify the amount of substance present in the given solution. Amount means quantitative. Qualitative means what are the ions, what are the elements, what are the components present in the mixture, that is a qualitative. Difference between qualitative and quantitative. So here it is possible to predict qualitatively by means of a diagram. By means of a diagram na enna, that we have to draw some diagram. On the diagram we have to predict the composition. We have to predict the composition at certain pressure and at a certain temperature. அப்போ qualitatively by using a diagrams, that is the phase rule for heterogeneous system. For heterogeneous system at equilibrium. அப்போ conditions என்ன? We have to predict qualitatively the by means of a diagram the effect of change of pressure, temperature and concentration. Then